Hi, this is Shannon Reed, Montgomery Area Chamber, and I just thought I would take a minute during this available time that we have on our hands to give you a few tips and inside pointers, maybe some things that you could be working on, and to really help you and your searchability. People will be looking for you via online, their phones, etc., more than ever before. So I think this would be a great opportunity that you should take advantage of. And I wanted to encourage you to start by enhancing and beefing up your directory listing and all of the links to take full advantage of your search engine optimization. So right now you should be looking at my shared desktop, and I drug over my Google Chrome internet browser, and I'm going to go right into our website here. So you'll notice here on our website a few new things. First of all, I've added a button to click and link straight to a page with some great link information, and I'll click on that and show you. We have community update information, just the latest and greatest coming from our leadership offices around the county and community. And some links that I will continue to update here. A reminder to any guests and visitors that find their way to our website that they should really go over to our directory and see the full listings, which is why I'm creating this video today, to remind you that if we direct traffic to your business listing, you'll want your page to be up to date. And you will notice here that I have links already created to some financing opportunities. If your business is in need of some support right now, you can take a look at some of the links here. And I will keep any pertinent information as it gets officially released from the federal or state level about income tax deferment, the payroll tax cuts, and any other decisions coming out of our legislative offices at this time. So just headed back to the home page. We want to make sure that our directory listing for your business is accurate and it looks like you are alive and well and open for business. You'll notice that we have gone to an enhanced directory listing here. It looks really vibrant and it looks like we've got a lot going on. So we want your business pages to look the same. You'll notice when we click on a category that we have the same layout version here for our businesses, but in this accounting, tax services, and payroll services as an example, no one has really gone in and taken advantage of adding any images that might be attractive to visitors to our sites. So it would be really wise to come in. You can see Coffee News has added their logo to their page as well. JK Graphics is in here, Starburst name badges. It really attracts your attention, so I would strongly urge everyone to take advantage of that. And we could go on and on throughout all of these different ones, but you can see how attractive and enhanced your listing looks if you go the extra mile. So I'm going to use Starburst here as an example and click on her site to see what all she has added. And I really think Casey has gone the extra mile with her page. You can see that she has her logo in several places. She's added some samples, imagery here. Under the highlights, she has given bullet points here for some of the things that she does. Please keep in mind that when you're customizing your page, these could also be links that take you to a website or a page inside your website if you want it to specifically go to a particular area. Each time you add an active link back and forth between the chamber and yourself, you're increasing that SEO algorithm. I strongly recommend that you would do that. But we have here a map, a phone number. You can directly send an email and visit their website. All of these things really are smart to have listed here. Got some driving directions, some regular office hours, a little bit about them, and you'll notice that the contact information looks a bit like a business card, and if you have multiple employees, they would stack here at the bottom all the same, with the white boxes and your name and the contact information right there. So you can do that for all of your employees. Now you'll notice you have about 2/3 of the screen to actually work with, and the calendar scroll will be on every page, so you won't be able to edit that part. You'll notice here that you have a map with a pin. If your business is from home, you can opt not to show the location of that address. If you don't want it published, it would just disappear altogether. So if you're operating from your home and you don't want people to drop in on you in that way, then I would recommend that. All right, so we want to do some changes, and my phone is ringing in the background. I apologize, but the way you would want to get to making some changes would be using your login. You can see it up here, pinned to the top of every page. So if you click on the login, it will ask for your login credentials, and I'm going to log in as the chamber at this time. And see if it will allow me into, well, you don't usually see this page, so I'm going to skip right into what yours looks like, and it should look like this. And I usually describe this as an old school Facebook look. So you will notice here that you have some tabs across the top, some shortcut bars on the left column that you can utilize to adjust what people see on the web from the outside. You'll have the events listed here to the side. You have the opportunity for some business-to-business referrals, and it does explain the Member Plus app. You'll also be able to notice some activity happening in this news feed, which is very similar to the Facebook settings. So if you wanted to add a particular comment or message into that news feed, you may do so right here, text or a link to a website or a photo or a video. But what I'd like to show you really quickly are these shortcuts to be able to change the information in your directory. So you'll see you have personal information that you can go in and edit. You can even add a bio. There's an opportunity there. And you would click Save Changes at the bottom. You also have some opportunities to make changes at the company level. You've got information here that you might want to list. They ask you and prompt you if something is missing. You can click on the word update. The website information, you can click on the update there. Photos and logos. I will click view and I'll show you what we have here for ourselves. So we have a gallery, and you can click to manage your gallery and add them and give them a caption if you would like. You've got organizational information that you can update, as well as your employees if you want to go through there and list any categories that apply to you. You have the opportunity to add additional information. You can add videos, and again, we did the photos. Your map pen if you want to show where it is located. And you have at the very bottom a membership badge. So if you wanted to display our Chamber of Commerce logo on your website and make it a link, you can generate the HTML code that you can drop into your website behind the scenes, and it will appear as our Chamber of Commerce logo, proud member of, at the top. So that would be a nice little nod for us. You've also got information in the drop down for making payments and transaction history and such. Going back to the home screen, you'll notice when I did some of that, this bar menu listing did change. That's because these are some shortcuts to help you quickly, but once I clicked inside the personal and company information, we went to the full editing mode in this panel. But I would like to draw your attention, once you have gone in and created lots of great information here, to go back to your home screen, you can quickly see how to post hot deals from here. You'll see that JK Graphics has taken advantage of the hot deals recently. You can see the listing here and be able to contact them. So if you would like to add a hot deal, we've got a button here at the top, and you can manage any that you may have already posted. If you have a news release, a press release that you would like to get out, you can also add them here and see the others. Same with job postings. If you are looking for some employees, you can add a posting here. All of the things that you see featured here in this setting internally is also available for the public consumption right down here on our home page. You'll see the directory link, but this hot deals, let me show you how it appears to the outside world. So we have a Family Path membership for Family First Urgent Care. We've got Family First is doing a few things here. And then we have our JK. If you're going curbside and you need help with your signage, they have their full production still open and operational. So these are just some ideas that they have put out here, and we will help by sharing these forward on our social media. All right. You can also see the job postings are listed here as well. And Universal Sign and Graphics is looking for a senior sign maker and graphic artist. So you have the opportunity to put as much or as little detail as you would like and your contact information right here so that the consumer can go right there and connect with you. All right, so back to our inside, you'll notice here, let's go home, that every time you click on a new portion, you've got lots of new opportunities in this quick list of links to your left. In addition, your tabs across the top don't change, but you can access your directory without having to go back to the outside world. You can remain inside if you want to take a look at any of our member businesses here. You're going to notice a lot more detail listed in each directory listing this way, and you can reduce what you see to a particular category, or you can do a keyword search directly. Okay? You can also see a listing of events as we have them on our calendar, but these can be displayed in a calendar view or in this list view. Our calendar view looks like this. And I want to draw your attention to the Resources tab where we have quite a few videos from our Mac University. I will be posting this video in this listing as soon as I have completed that. For each member, you can go in and take a look at some reports for yourself. Now, obviously, I'm in here logged in as the Montgomery Area Chamber, so I don't get the same type of reports that you do. But if you were to tune in as yourself, when you log in, you will be able to see a listing of all of your activities, all of the events you've registered for, and take a look at the hits and links and traffic to your directory listing. The press releases go here under the news, and then you have an opportunity to change some of your settings at the end for the various things that you have connection with. So that is just a quick overview that you should really take advantage of, because when people come to your directory listing, they really want to log in and make sure that they find you. This is very exciting to see completed membership directories, but you have lots more opportunities to list other things on your site. So take advantage of that as much as possible. Well, that's it for my quick tip for the day. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we're going to do a few more of these over time. That way, while you have some downtime to do housekeeping in your business, you will be able to take advantage of this. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.